Hello. Let's explore together Comidor User Interface. Comidor User Interface consists of all the features that are always viewable wherever you are in Comidor. First of all, you can access any Comidor application by clicking on the application menu icon on the top of your page. You can search any business entity in the entire platform through Comidor Global search. Just type the name of the entity you want to search for, and click on the search button. The pop-up window will appear with all the matching results in all Comidor units. In case you do not want to search for an entity, but for a term or guide, just select the tab Help Center and your search will be redirected automatically to our website Help Center. Notifications bar, or info box, is the place where you will be notified of any change occurs upon a specific task and process, any note that is added above them, new emails, tasks and processes. System notifications are the ones informing you when a new task or process is added, when it's time to start, when someone has shared a folder with you or an old task or process has been completed. Reminders are coming at this place too. When new emails arrive, notifications of mailbox will come here. You can check what type of email notifications you wish to receive in user settings. When someone leaves a comment upon a specific process or task, a note notification arrives here. When a user chooses to notify users upon a specific Comidor object, notifications come here too. A small calendar is available here with tasks filtered upon owner and day that should be done. You can switch views between all tasks, personal tasks, orders and supervised tasks. You can also get informed about overdue or forthcoming tasks. Processes divided by their scheduled end date are available on this info box icon. You can filter processes you wish to view here in user settings. Clicking on the user image, you can check your profile information, change Comidor settings and handle your chat availability. In user profile you can view and edit your personal information, and you can also update your user image. Click on Change Password tab on the sidebar to submit a new password for your personal account. Select Manage Emails tab in order to connect email accounts to Comidor platform. Fill in the fields and then test your connection. User Settings tab is also another shortcut to general user settings. In user absences you can set specific criteria to easily export absence reports. In personal skills you can view or edit your skills and add new skills and certifications to the system. Finally, click on Schedule to view your weekly work schedule. In User Settings, select the User Settings tab. Click on Menu tab from the side table. Choose what units will be open by default at the Active Units bar. Select the ones you wish by clicking on the boxes and then save changes. Click on Theme tab from the side table. Change theme colors and click on Save Changes to refresh and apply changes. By clicking on Reset Defaults you can set colors back to the basic ones. In User Settings, you can select Parameters tab as well. Here you can select the number of rows per table for each unit list view, change the application language, choose default access mode of your user. This has been set by default on public. Choose whether you would like to include inbox and info box of notifications bar. Practically, this means that you will receive a message notification each time an email arrives in every email that you have connected in Comidor, not only the core one. Check whether you would like to set your emails as complete when read. Check if you wish to hear notification sound. Choose the first day of the week. Select what filters you wish to apply in the processes you see in the notifications bar. Choose between all, important, high priority and red rag status options. Finally, you can select what type of processes will appear in your notification bar. You can choose between all, projects, work packages or issues. Moving to the email settings, you can add emails to spam list, submit your signature, create a restricted template, a confidential template, and a secret template to be used in your messages. Quick Adds is a way of adding quickly new Comidor entities, but also create links between the Comidor entity you are exploring at that time and a new Comidor entity. When clicking on Email, the Send an Email form opens. In case you want the new entry to be linked to the open entity, just check the Link With option. When clicking on Task, a new short pop-up window opens where you can complete quickly any information you wish and add a new task. In case you have another entity open, you can select whether the new task will be linked with the open entity or not. In the same way, we can add a file and link it to the open task. Check the Link With option and then drag and drop a file from your computer. Choose the folder you want your new file to be added to. Then refresh your page and you will view and access the new file at the links of the open entity. You can also quickly add a note, even though notes are entities that cannot be linked. In the same way, you can add a contact, an account, or a process. Finally, you can quickly submit an absence request without having to do it from the Absence Management unit. Comidor is designed in a way that is simple for any user to understand it. Menus, filters, buttons, lists all are designed and arranged in a way that allows the user to focus on his actual work rather than spending his valuable time trying to find his way around. In table views, you can always add a new element by clicking on the plus icon. From the Action button, you can export data, print your view, or import records from external resources. You can filter results using the Comidor filters on the sidebar. You can filter the records by period, state, access rights, or tags. You can even categorize results by creating a new folder based on specific criteria. Search box gives dedicated search to the element you are viewing when applying different criteria. You can also click on the Pin button to select or deselect what type of information you wish to show in each table. Now let's make a custom search. Click on the icon next to the search box in order to make custom search fields visible. We are going to search for all tasks that have April 3rd as a date and their task type is work. When you are done, click on the Execute button to get your updated results. To add a new folder, click on the pencil icon next to the folder's label. You can categorize or group results by any record field. From the general view, you can also access Comidor Business Intelligence tools. Click on Reports to set customized criteria and create your own reports. Or click on Charts to get statistics about your open unit. There are 3 different ways to view your unit data. You can enter Chart View to get a graphic presentation of the records. Enter 2D Analysis, where you can utilize data management options to find the data you want to act upon. Sort and group data by specific criteria. See results updated below. You can see even the sums only. Click on Print View or Export View buttons to print and export these data. You can edit this Query Builder's report and adjust SQL queries upon your criteria. 3D analysis is only available in some units of Comidor as it requires numerical values to work in proper. Utilize data management options to find the data you want to act upon. Group data by specific criteria. See results updated below. You can see even the sums only. Click on Print View or Export View buttons to print and export these data. Both in 2D and 3D analysis, you can click on Default View drop-down list to add a new view. Drag and drop SQL queries from the list on the left to the text box on the right. Click on Execute. You can save the new view and give a name to the query. Now the new view has been added to the drop-down list. Comidor also offers you an enriched HTML editor for your mail, discussion boxes, signature, templates, files, wikis, and personal notes. You can easily change the format of your text or add images. To add an image, click on the image icon. Fill in the image URL or select Browse Server to upload an image. Select an image already uploaded to your server or click on Choose File to choose a file from your computer. Then, select Upload and leave. Set the preferences of your image and click OK to place it in your text. All Comidor users can create public category lists in various Comidor units. In order to add a new category or a new type, you can go in a Comidor list in any Comidor unit and click to view list content. Click on Add in order to add a new category or type. Write the category name. If you want to add a core category, you should just click on OK, provided that this should be a subcategory. You have to click on the core category or any subcategory and then click on OK. The new category has been successfully added to the list. Now you are ready to use Comidor Graphic Interface features on your own.